Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video. I'm going to be comparing two Curly Girl approved gels. Here they are. Today you're going to see me apply as well as the results, the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, and from Cantu, this is the Moisturizing Retention Styling Gel. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and join the Curl Factory family. Guys, these are the results. I air dried my hair. I literally did my hair about 2 hours ago and I sat in the African sun and my hair dried, and these are literally the results after a few hours, meaning that this is day one hair. I usually do film videos the next day, but my hair was dry. I thought, you know what, let me just do the intro to this video. So on one side of my hair I use the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, and on this side of my hair I use the Cantu Moisture Retention Gel. Let's talk a little bit about the gels, then I'll give you my thoughts on these results. So on this side of my hair, I went in with the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine recipes. This is the Ice Curls for natural curls, coils and waves. It's the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. It's enriched with almond oil as well as marshmallow root. I love marshmallow on my hair. This gel promises definition, elongation, and sensational shine. It also says that it's going to treat your curls, waves, twists, or locks to this intensive moisture remedy. It's infused with hydrating grapeseed and almond oils and marshmallow root for softness, superior hydration, and manageability. I have a full video on my channel using the entire range from the Grapeseed collection from Aunt Jackie. So if you're interested, check that video out. I did it a few months ago, maybe almost a year ago, I'm not too sure, but when this dropped in South Africa, I did the video. So I applied this in sections. For the purpose of today's video, I did go in with a Ferrosol bottle. If you're interested in these, if you want one of these, drop me an email. My email will be in the description box. I am selling these Ferrosol bottles. So I did spritz my hair when I did both sides to make sure that they both an equal amount of wetness for the application. So I did use the Ferrosol bottle and I did apply it in fairly larger sections, but I made sure every curl was coated, and I also used the raking and the pre-hand method for application. So that's how I did the application for the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection side. On the other side, I went in with the Ferrosol bottle as well, but let's talk a little bit more about this gel. This is the new Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Moisture Retention Styling Gel with flaxseed as well as olive oil, and it promises no alcohol, no crunch, no flakes, and no itch. Now I do have a video where I did my entire head with this gel. Check that out. I also have a video using the same Cantu gel, but it's infused with Jamaican black castor oil. I have a video on that gel as well if you're interested. So for today's video, I just compared it with the Ice Curls. So this is the Moisture Retention Styling Gel. It says the Cantu Moisture Retention Styling Gel infused with flaxseed and olive oil is perfect for maximum hold and to help boost moisture retention. Made with 100% pure shea butter, Cantu reveals your real authentic beauty. This also contains no alcohol, no mineral oil, no sulfates. It is Curly Girl approved, and like the other side, I applied it in larger sections. I used the raking method and the pre-hand method as well to do the application. When it came to drying, my hair dried really fast. That's why I'm doing this part of the video right now, because I did my hair a few hours ago. So I did do something different whilst drying my hair that I don't usually do. What I did do was I did flip my hair and I did shake my hair in the drying process as well to try and add more volume in a natural way other than diffusing my hair. Now let's talk about the results and my thoughts. So you guys can see a little bit of a noticeable difference in terms of the results. The Cantu side is a little bit longer, which means it gave me more elongation, and it is a little bit more voluminous. There's a little bit more body going on the Cantu side. Something else that you guys might not be able to see, because I did spritz a little bit water before coming on camera, was there was more frizz on the Cantu side than the Grapeseed Collection side. The Grapeseed Collection side dried fairly flat, in place, definition, shine. The Cantu one, more volume at the back, a little bit shrinkage, more shrinkage on my tighter curls, but elongation on this side as well as volume, which is really, really nice. In terms of hold, I've got a good hold on both sides, nice definition on both sides. My fringe, I did mix the two gels together. For the application, I got a little bit of frizz in my fringe as well, but not a problem at all. Sometimes it has to do with drying, maybe flipping my hair around created some or added to the natural frizz part, but nothing major in terms of a whole lot of frizz. So I am generally happy with both sides. I mean, I've done videos on both of them, so I know how they work. So you guys can see the results of me comparing the two, and you can decide which one you like better and which gel you like better. It's a wrap, guys. My comparison between two Curly Girl approved gels, one from One Jackie's and one from Cantu. They can both be found in South Africa. This isn't a comparison in terms of me comparing price and packaging, but just more so application and results. So drop your comments down below, guys. Let me know if you've tried any of them and which one you personally like. As always, guys, you will see me again in another video. Take care.